Okay, dear. Welcome to this session. In this session, I would like to discuss about some of the important concepts which they have discussed in medical examination. Simply, I can say a glance on a topic called classification of elements and periodicity in properties. Okay, let us have a look on this one. In 2023, they have asked a question based on the size of the size of isoelectronic ion, size of isoelectronic ion from the periodic table chapter. That means classification of elements in periodicity. This is what we need to concentrate on coming 2024. Another one. If you take 2022, if you take 2022 in consideration, 2022 in consideration. In 2022, they've asked IUPAC, IUPAC name of element whose Z value is greater than 100. So this is one concept we need to practice for this coming 2024 medical examination from this chapter. Whereas in 2021, when you consider a concept from 2021 here, even we have the same thing. In 2021 also we have 2020 and 2022. We have the same type of IUPAC name related things they have discussed. So keep it in mind that since 2-3 years, they have asked the question from this topic, which is IUPAC name. Yes, if you just start observing 2019, in 2019, they have asked the ionization enthalpy order. That means variation of ionization potential, in a second period. In a second period of elements. So from this, what we understand is nothing but, yes, they are going to ask a question definitely from the variation of periodic property ionization potential across a period. In second period, they have asked. So we need to concentrate on this type of concepts for the coming 2024 NEET exam. Next. Another point I would like to raise, that is 2018, they have asked the acidic nature of oxides. That means nature of oxides. Nature of oxides. Nature of oxides, that too, in particular, we have the second A group elements, first A group elements, or third period elements. Third period elements in the periodic table. That means metals are there, non-metals are there, and metalloids are there. Their respective oxides nature, whether it is acidic nature or oxide or basic nature, that type of concept of nature of these oxides of metals and non-metals will be an important point under the discussion in the coming exam. When it comes to that 2017 medical examination, if you take in 2017 medical examination, they have asked the Z value, they have given the Z value, they have asked the electronic configuration, the electronic configuration of the element, electronic configuration element belong to a group. So that they have asked in 2017. So 2017, if you observe, definitely it is one a new corner of the discussion. They have asked this electronic configuration of element by giving Z value. So what they are giving in the question is Z value they are giving. You need to identify the electronic configuration of that element in the periodic table belongs to which family or which group in the periodic table. That is 2017. You observe 2023, 22, 20, 20 to 20 similar because COVID time, that is 2019 variation of ionization potential, 2018 periodicity of oxides, nature of oxides, 17 electronic configuration of elements belongs to a group is there. So you just observe anything is matching, nothing is matching, but the question is changing, concept is changing. Now we will see 2016 that they have discussed NEET first time introduced in India. That is the variation of a property, that is also variation of periodicity property. So variation of particular periodic property, particular periodic property of elements and their order, for correct order and all. So 2016 if you take, yes, 2016 from this periodic table chapter, they have discussed about variation in that, like electronegativity, the property may be electronegativity, or that the property may be size, the property may be ionization potential, or that property may be metallic radius or metallic, yes, metallic radius or increase in the metallic radius, like that. So size and metallic radius similar, but specially discussed about metallic radius in this 2016 question. So 2000 up to 2016, if you see, yes, different concepts they've discussed from periodicity property of elements. I hope, dear students, you will definitely catch up with these concepts and you will revise all these concepts for the 2024 from classification of elements and periodicity in properties. That is 2024. We're going to expect any one of this or whichever not discussed in these concepts earlier. Also, we will connect with that in the coming examinations. Okay. I hope you got a clarity that which concepts we need to revise first and which concepts we need to touch, whichever not discussed in this NEET examination earlier up to 2000, from 2016 to 2023. Okay. Now, dear students, I hope you understand there is a glance on classification of elements and periodicity and properties we discussed since this NEET examination started from 2016. So I hope you will find all these type of concepts to study well from this periodic properties of elements. Thank you very much. We'll meet in next session with another glance on another important chapter for required for 2024 NEET exam. Thank you.